Now in this video we will discuss about the paper pattern of the subject science. Okay students, so here first of all please take out your paper pattern, okay students, of science, which is on the next page. Okay students, so in the question number 1, that is MCQ, question number 1, that is MCQ. So in MCQ we all know that from where I have asked, but then also I am just giving the page numbers from the textbook. Okay students, so here you first take the chapter number 1's page number, that is 17. Moving towards chapter number 2, see here there is no MCQ, but from this chapter I can take from chapter inside the chapter the MCQ 1 or 2. Okay, moving towards chapter number 3, so here you can see it is on the page number 40. Moving towards chapter number 4, here it is on the page number 49. Next, that is chapter number 5. Here it is on the page number 58. Next, chapter number 6, we don't have to do chapter number 6. Moving towards chapter number 7. So from chapter number 7, it is on the page number 82. So 90% of MCQ I have asked from these page numbers. Okay, only a few MCQs are asked from inside the chapter, and that are easy, that you can know the answer easily. Okay students, now moving towards question number 2. Let us see what is our question number 2. So here the question number 2, that is define. Question number 2, that is define. So in that what will be asked? So in the definition I am just giving few of the definition to you. From that it will be asked. So I am giving you 5 definitions. The first one is scavengers. Second one, biotic component. Third one, abiotic component. Fourth one, immiscible. Fifth one, miscible. Sixth one, guinea. Seventh one, balanced diet. Okay, so these are the definition. From this any 4 will be asked. I have given you 7 definitions. So now moving towards our next question, that is question number 3. So question number 3, that is give 2 examples. Give 2 examples Okay students, from this also I can ask from inside the book. Okay students, but first of all we will write the page numbers. On which page numbers it is there. So moving towards chapter number 1. So from chapter number 1, if we take, there is no give to example over here. Moving forward, see here on the page number 24. Okay, on the page number 24 you can see it is given, give two examples of each of the following that you have to do, and it is also on the page number 29. Then moving forward, see here on the chapter number 3 it is not there. Moving towards chapter number 4, in the chapter number 4 also it is not there. Moving towards chapter number 5, see here it is there on the page number 59. Okay, now chapter number 7, 6 is not done, we have not done that. So here in the chapter number 7 also it is not there. So you have to give two example on the page number 24, 29 and 59. I am saying it again, 90% of I have taken this from this only, which I am just taught you. Only few question will be not there from this. Okay, so don't make an issue and make a doubt that this you haven't do this and that. Okay students, 90% of paper will be from this only. Okay, now here moving towards question number 4, that is name the following. Name the following. Okay, so name the following. We will just let's see from which in which page the name the following is there. Okay, so directly moving towards chapter number 1, starting from the first. No, in this not there, name the following. But I am saying that if any of the chapter don't have name the following, from inside the chapter I can ask. Okay students, so here on the chapter number 2, name the following. No, yes it is in the chapter number 2, not there. Moving towards chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. See here, from that I can ask, write one word for the following. So that can be asked. So page number 41. Okay students. Now next, chapter number 5. See here also one word there. Write one word for the following on the page number 59. Another. Here it is not there. In the chapter number, moving towards chapter number 7. See here, name the following is there on the page number 76. And moving next. See here, from the page number 82, give one word. From that also I can ask. Okay, so these are the page numbers of the name the following. That is question number 5. Question number 5, that is true or false. True or false. Okay. So let us see in which chapter the true or false are there, students. So directly moving towards chapter number 1. So true or false, not there in the chapter number 1, but I can take from inside the chapter. So you don't just you will not read the chapter, then it will not work. I am just giving you hint that from this I can ask. I am not telling you that I will ask from this only. So page number, it is on the page number 24. Okay, true or false are there, and I can twist the true or false and ask. Okay, students, so please be ready with that. So here also true or false are not there. Question number 3. See here, it is on the page number 37. True or false are there. In the chapter number 4, true or false are not there. In the chapter number 5, yes, it is on the page number 55. Here also not. Moving towards chapter number 7. See here on the page number 80, you can see. Okay. So these are the page numbers of true or false. I have just asked some of the true or false twisted. So get ready with that, students. Okay. Now moving towards question number 6. That is fill in the blanks. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So let us see from which pages the filling the blanks can be asked. So directly moving towards chapter number 1. So here there is filling the blanks on the page number 17. Page number 17. Moving forward, it is on the page number 28. From chapter number 3, it is on the page number 37. And also on the 40, page number 40. Moving towards chapter number 4, and it is on the page number 49. Here, moving towards chapter number 5, that is on the page number 59. And moving towards chapter number 7, it is on the page number 80, and it is on the page number 82. Okay, students, so this is the page number of the fill in the blanks that you have to do. Okay, students, moving forward on the page, question number 7, that is match the pair. Question number 7, that is match the pair. Match the pair. Okay, students, so let us write the page numbers of match the pair. Okay. So match the pair, it is not in the chapter number 1. Moving towards chapter number 2, Here also I think match the pair is not there. Moving towards chapter number 3. Here also match the pair is not there. Chapter number 4. Yes, it is on the page number 47. Moving towards chapter number 5. It is on the page number 55. Moving on the chapter number 7. Here, yes, it is on the page number 76. And yes, from this the match the pair can be asked, and also from inside the chapter, students. Okay, now moving towards question number 8. Classify the following. Question number 8, that is classify the following. Classify the following. So let us write the page numbers of classify the following. But in that I am just not writing the page number, students. I am just saying that how you have to just classify. So you have to classify the following into there will be components given, all the components. Okay, students, from that you have to classify that from on two parts, that is abiotic components and biotic. Okay, students, abiotic components and biotic components. In classify the following, there will be around 8 to 10 components will be given. From that you have to make separate of which are abiotic components and which are biotic components. Okay, students, you have to do in this classify the following. Now moving towards next, that is question number 9. Okay, students. So the question number 9, that is question number 9, that is answer in question number 9, that is answer in 1 or 2 lines. Question number 10, that is answer in 2 or 3 lines. And question number 12, that is answer in brief. Question number 9, 11 and 12, all I have asked from the textual question answers. Here I am just writing that. Question number 9, 11, 12, that will be from textual question answers. And you have to just separate out all that. In question number 9, that is of 1 mark. So in 1 mark, which question can be asked? Small 1 or 2 line only can be asked, and 2 marks. In 2 marks, which question can be asked? So you have to see in the question that it is of 3 to 4 lines, then it can be asked in the question number 11, and question number 12, that is of 3 marks. So in 3 marks, the long questions means about 10 to 15 line, which question is there, that can be asked in the question number 12. Okay students, so that you have to do. Okay students, that you have to do in question number 9, 11 and 12. I am repeating it student, you have to all do in the from the textual question answers. Okay students, from that only I have asked, but you have to just classify that which can be asked in this, which can be asked in this, and which can be asked in this. You have to just classify according to the answer length, that how much length is there in the answer, then after you have to classify that. Now moving towards our next question, that is question number 11. Question number 11, sorry, here it is question number 10 students. Question number 10. Okay, so the remaining one is question number 11, that is experiment. So experiment you have to do any 2. So I am just giving you 4 experiments. From that 4, any 2 will be asked. So the first one, that is to separate a mixture of salt and sand. Okay, the B is to test the presence of starch in the given food sample. Third one, that is C, to observe the germination of seeds in presence of present and absence of water. Okay students, now the another one, that is fourth one, okay, that is fourth one, D, to separate a mixture of sand and water by filter paper. Okay, so from this any three will be asked, and from this any three you have to write any of the two. Okay students, this is the last question number 11, that is experiments. From this four any three will be there in the paper, and from that three you have to write only two. Okay students, from that three you have to write only two. So this is the whole paper pattern. Okay students, so let just I explain it again in orally. Question number 1, that is MCQ, that you have to do from all the chapters MCQ, and sum of 90 to 95% of the paper will be from this only, which I have taught you today. But some of the question will be twisted and some of the question will be from the book. So don't just get depressed. Okay students, and just write. If you will write according to that, and which I have just taken from the textual, that are easy only, so you can give easily the answer. Okay, then question number 2, that is define, that I have given you 7 definitions, from that only it will be asked. And question number 3, that is give to example, I have taught you the page numbers. Question number 4, that is name the following, that also I have given you page numbers. True or false, I have given you page number, fill in the blanks. Match the following, classify the following. In classify the following, there were 8 to 10 components will be given, and from that you have to classify that from which are abiotic components and which are biotic components. Okay students, now moving forward, answer in 1 or 2 lines, that is question number 9. Question number 10, answer in 2 to 3 lines, and answer in brief, that is question number 12. That are all from the textual question answers. Okay students, and the last one, that is question number 11, experiments, that is from this A. From this 4, any 3 will be there in the paper, and from that 3 you have to write only 2. Okay students, okay, and here we finish this video, and best of luck for your paper. Okay students, okay, bye students.